Now, people that I know, they take lemongrass for dandruff in the hair. But what I want you to know is that the leaves and the oil can be used to make medicine.
Come and chat with Tania.
Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Okay, guys, as you can see, it is a beautiful morning. I am just showing you how the beauty that I wake up to every morning and just have to be grateful to be alive. I'm just showing the sky at this moment. It seems as if the rain is about to fall. Right, so this is the beauty that I wake up to most mornings. But my reason for recording is that in the mornings I come into my backyard and I normally pick the lemongrass. Every morning I take the time out to come and pick peas, or sometimes I leave it in the house. But I just want to share with you some of the health benefits of the lemongrass. I see the sun coming out a little bit up there. If you look good, you can see the sun. So the sun is peaking, so by a little bit later, the day would be a little bit more sunny. All right? But so far, it's a beautiful morning. I am enjoying the fresh air. I'm enjoying everything that the morning has to offer, while I share with you the health benefits of the lemongrass. This is the lemongrass. It is a plant, and a lot of people, they call it the lemongrass or the fever grass, right? So even though you have it in your backyard, it is very beneficial. But what I want you to know is that the leaves and the oil can be used to make medicine. So what I want to do is just to share some information with you about the fever grass or the lemongrass. Now, based on research, the lemongrass help prevent the growth of some bacteria and the yeast. It contains substances that relieve pain and swelling, reduce fever, improve levels of sugar and cholesterol in the blood, and it also stimulates the uterus and menstrual flow. Right, so it is a great plant to have in your backyard, so that now and then you can make a cup of tea, or you can use it into your food for the flavoring. Now, people that I know, they take lemongrass for dandruff in the hair, for headache, for cough, for swelling, for pain, for fever. And a lot of persons have other scenarios of what they have taken the lemongrass for. Now, let me just share with you how I make the tea. I pour 1 cup boiling water over the lemongrass. Steep it for at least 5 minutes. I strain the tea, and then I enjoy it hot. But what you can do is enjoy it cold as well. You can add some ice to it, but I enjoy it hot because it is something that I take in the morning before I go to work. Now, the grass, it is safe and healthy. You see it behind me, and it is very easy to grow. And it is as you can see, it is a tall, stalky plant, and it has a fresh lemony aroma and a citrus flavor. So when I say it has a fresh lemony aroma, when you pick the plant, let me just pick piece, and then you smell it, it gives you a fresh aroma, And what you can also do with this is that you can rub it together in your hands. You can rub it in your hands and you can have that fresh scent on your hands. You can even rub it on your skin to keep mosquitoes off, right? So I love this plant. I enjoy drinking it. I enjoy making tea with it. So what you can do, you can get one of these plants into your backyard. All right? Wonderful and sweet smelling. Now the lemongrass plant, it is very easy to grow. So it is a plant that you can grow into your backyard. Now I want to just share with you what the tea does. All right, I want to just share with you what the lemongrass tea does. All right, so it has antioxidant properties. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It may reduce cancer risk. It may help to promote healthy digestion. It may help reduce high systolic blood pressure, and it may help you lose weight. So those are some of the benefits of the tea. A great plant that you can grow into your backyard, and then you can make your tea. You don't have to drink the tea every day, but you can drink the tea at least 2 times per week, or 3, depending on how you take your tea. What I want you to do is to remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health benefits. All right. I also want you to check out our Facebook page on Facebook. It is Chat Jamaican and Fire Read, and you can go there for updates on our channel. All right, so thank you for watching Chat Jamaican, and we will talk a little more. All right, it is a beautiful morning and I am just enjoying it. As I said, I came out here to pick some of my lemongrass for tea, and I made the decision to share some of the benefits with you. All right, so take care. Bye-bye.